In this equation, we have solutions of systems of equations. And just a quick, brief definition. A system of equations is two or more equations needed for you to solve any given problem. So right now we have y equals negative 5x plus 1 and y equals 3x minus 2. The question is, does the point positive 3 comma positive 8, is it a solution of that equation? In order for this point 3 comma 8 to be a solution, it must first be plugged into each equation. And when you solve those equations, they are true statements. In addition to, both statements must be the same exact value. So right now, all I'm going to do is rewrite equation 1 and equation 2 with the point 3 comma 8 substituted into those equations. This is what you would do on your scratch paper when you are taking the FSA Algebra 1 EOC. And as you can tell, I'm writing down the first equation, equation 1, and I just substituted y for 8 and x for 3. And then I'm now substituting the point in equation 2, 8 equals 3 times 3, subtracting 2. I'm going to identify them so that I don't get confused, that this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. I'm very particular with that, especially when I'm teaching my students how to solve these problems. So now, even by looking at the equations after I plug them in, they are false statements. They are false, but you have to show your work to make sure that you are correct. So equation number 1 says that 8 may equal negative 15 plus 1. So is it true that 8 on the left side of the equal sign is going to be equal to the product on the right? Well, clearly negative 5 times 3 is negative 15, and negative 15 plus 1 is negative 14. So right now I know that equation 1 is a false statement. 8 does not equal negative 14. Equation 2, does 8 equal 9 minus 2? Well, 9 minus 2 equals 7, and clearly 8 does not equal 7. So the first equation is a false statement. The second equation is a false statement. Therefore, the point 3 comma 8 is not a solution to that system of equations. And if you had to graph them, 3.8 would not be the point of intersection for equation 1 and equation 2. So another way of saying solution set is A, by making them true statements, or B, by graphing them and seeing if the point 3 comma 8 is the point of intersection. I hope this helps, and in a little while I'm going to finish working it out and checking it to see if it's correct, and then you can go to the same website on Khan Academy and try it out. So let's see. It says nope, it is not a solution. It is incorrect, and I'm declaring for myself, in case this was a read, think, and explain problem and you had to explain why you chose no, you would say, well, both equations are definitely false, and they must have the same equal value and be true statements. I hope this helps, and I hope to see you soon on the next video. Feel free to give me a comment, or if you need help on any questions, I'll be more than happy to help you. Bye.